forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more of Abby's Madness. What's up, guys? Your girl Abby here. Back at it again with more of Abby's Madness. So guys, today when a good girl says she gonna pull out that area soon, but then I think I so weird. Good girl I'm in the Abby's Madness video in this. Some say right in home for make that happen. Some say today good girl gonna make a video for you. I don't know what that video gonna be about, but just a video myself. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, follow me on Instagram below, and if you want to see me and the people there, man, Abby and Kepa J.A. So no further talking, let's flick into the video. In the video, just to start, to see me because I'm a nasty person. But guys, violence is not the key to everything. So you know what? We're going to fling with the weapon. May I take it up back just in case. So come, the dirty person, them out there, you see? I say, I want to come here, I'm telling you the story. That's the dirty boy. So guys, after I say, let's look a nasty boy come take out my food out of the fridge. Talk truth, I'm for him for that Jamaican person. I'm for him for that Jamaican person. What you boy? I'm well eating for them in here. I'm well eating for them in here. Look from my hat. Dirty boy, open the door, open the door. Open the door, dirty boy. My hat for hey, I told not even know I'm hot for them in here. When I come out to my food, good girl. Glad I don't from catch me off guard. Yeah. Share the next one too. Tell us I'm hot for the one of them in here. Hey, what am I telling you to say? Now come catch me off guard. Yeah. But tell them. But them know our ear. Them know our ear. Yeah. So you know what a good girl I do? Good girl I go tie up her ear. I see what someone go on. People my tell to tell the dirty people them say don't ramp with me. Don't ramp with me when come out to my food. So anyways guys, as I said before, violence is not the answer to everything, but you have to prepare yourself. I'm not drop my guard. I'm not drop it. As you can see, good girl won't pull up. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Bed pull up and so. But no worry, because I don't know the good girl room always clean. Once good girl clean our room, good girl room always clean. Some of us are jump in out of bed and by the time of a land, so the room's supposed to clean up. Room, not really done yet, but I want to bleach down my bathroom, so I come clean up my bathroom and the boy they in here wash face and take out the bleach. Tell me something enough to frig him up in the bathroom, no people. Tell me something.
Let's go get wash your face.
Come out of my bathroom. Out I'm boy. Yeah, now come back in here. Watch it. Put bleach and stuff in the bathroom, people, and the boy come in here. The boy come in here. Why not next bathroom? No. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to back in. I'm tired of them dirty people. No matter how much good girl try to look at work, no matter how much good girl try to look at work, they have to stop the good girl work. I don't know why. I don't know why they have to stop the good girl work. Me and them in here. Watch, I'm going to say some. Hold on there. Where's the postado? Tell us I'm not put none of them.
Hello.
It's like them get me extra mad to them. I'm not hide and talk. I'm not hide and talk people. When they come here, But say after I know last time I take some tea, right? Some loose weight tea, name lots of tea, some tea bags, right? So when you take them some of it make your belly run. So anyways now, running belly take me again, run going to the bathroom. By the time good girl for come on, guess what? Nobody in there. The whole of the crosses them gone. And the sad thing about it, them know some of them are dead for hungry. And them camp on the road left a good girl. So guess what me I gonna do? As the dirty people them step through the door, so me, I like them all. Yeah. How them for do that to your good girl? So guys, what I gonna do? I put on my bulletproof vest. This and a garbage bag and come back. So I'm gonna see my back in 3, 2, 1. Look for my people, I want to take me around for the dirty people. After them left me, you must say mad. Me water balloon, them as soon as them step through the door. Plus, I decide to make a clean today, you know. That's what I'm going to do because if I never make a clean like Jesus, who would I want to do this to clean up which mess? So guys, right now I'm going to set up the camera and lay with them. Yeah.
You think I love my idea, easy?
How about that?
No, just so fucking share going. You think I love my idea, easy, yeah? Share card, eh? I'll be there. Oh, no, I'll be there. Oh, should I write this one? What's it? Yo, shop, what's it there?
No, you're not cleaning up for no. You have this video now. You have that way of cleaning up for no.
Yeah, we're going to clean up what mess that I created, that we created. Alright?
If you want, I'm coming on. Careful, watch it. Where did I fling balloon pan today? Where did I fling balloon pan today? People, where did I fling balloon pan today? Where did I fling balloon pan today? Where did I tell your phone, man? Where did the sheep come on and sheep? No, where did my friend from? No, my friend, yeah. These are the place now, man. Where is it now? Yeah, man. I'll be a cancel.
That way look at us at a place.
Oh, yes, me big work.
That man, look what you with me.
So guys, cannot believe said dirty cap or team up over nasty nephew. Look all them do but tell God Almighty to God up above sit up on them children. Look at this. Look at this. talk truth. I look grown over the past. Oh, no, not even so I go. Look at this. Look at this. See what some are going. So don't know what that mean. Oh no, know what that mean. So guys, after the dirty people them wet me up and so dirty that might to be exact. This side say, I'm gonna clean my bathroom and then come back to you. Come so talk truth, people talk truth. Talk truth. When a good girl just on the bathroom. Somebody ever married me, you know? Better be a perfect wife. Somebody ever married me. So right now, I'm gonna clean them, I'm gonna sweep and wipe. And then put in the things them in the bathroom like that. Put my tissue, put in the mat them and everything, yeah? Bathroom, done. Right guys, another part of my daily routine. Exercise. Yeah. My bed locking, but you know what? Good girl, I forget about the body. Because I put on enough weight, you say like Jesus, people. Good girl put on enough weight.
Come on, man, don't stop it.
Take that, Abby. Pick it up, Abby.
So guys, when a good girl just done exercise, when a good girl bathe, when a good girl tied up her room, when a good girl wash her bathroom and so what me always want to tell them no. More choose one girl, right? One female. You don't want Abby's madness skit with. But you have to mad, you know, you have to really mad. When I say mad, I mean insane. So I want to DM up on Instagram, Abby Attaz, and send me the channel link and tell me if you're interested in the skit. And then we will just check out on the channel and see if you're mad, like really mad, like police are look for no mad. And so I joke, me I make joke. Oh yeah. So guys, I think this is the end of the video. Nasty kept play football and not bother me. So I'm just go in the room now and edit. So until then, on a good girl is out. Bye.